I love using indoor plants to bring life and loveliness into a home.
Plants make us feel better, connect us to nature, and best of all, the pots they live in can make a real style statement. Today I'm going to share some great ideas to get you started with indoor plants. First up, consider your home's overall style, as you want your pots and plants to sit seamlessly within your scheme.
For a more minimalist look, white pots are always chic and allow your houseplants to be the stars of the show. And white is definitely not boring.
These textured pots are neutral, but the finish is beautifully tactile to create another decorative layer to your room.
It's a great idea to think of your plants and pots as living and movable artworks, and consider the size of the canvas you want to decorate.
A large white corner in a living room or a bare entryway is the perfect place to really go big with a single statement plant.
Pick a decorative pot to create a real feature and go as large as your space will allow. If in doubt, always opt for a larger size pot as it gives the plant room to grow in.
White will never go out of style, but coloured pots are definitely having a moment and a great way to add a bit of excitement into your space.
Best of all, you can move the pots around to fit your mood, the season, or your decorating style. Think of them as the throw cushions of plants. Just make sure your plants are getting the right amount of natural light to keep them thriving.
For a streamlined look, keep the palette consistent, or mix colours and sizes for a playful, eclectic look.
Consider the style of the plant you'd like to use when choosing the colour of your pot. Lush green leaves contrast really well against a pale pink.
A high shelf is the ideal landing space for pots and beautiful cascading plants, and is a great decorative solution when you're working with a small space.
Just make sure your shelves and hooks can bear the weight of the plants after you've given them some water. They can get quite heavy. Using a plant stand or placing a pot on a stool will give you height without using shelving, and hanging plants are another great way to create some vertical interest. Greenery creates a lovely decorative touch in more functional spaces, like the bathroom.
Think of your pots as styling accessories and use them to add colour, texture and freshness to the space.
When choosing your pots, make sure you know which ones you can plant directly into and those you can't.
Cash pots are meant to be simply decorative, whereas a planting pot needs a drainage hole, and it will also need a saucer to catch any excess water.
I always think it's a good idea to leave your indoor plants in their plastic pots at first, so you can mix and match them in different pots and spaces. It's such an easy way to change up your space.
Create a striking centerpiece on your table with potted plants.
Try a collection of low-maintenance plants like succulents or cacti in smaller pots. Just make sure you protect the surface of your table in case of any watering spills.
And of course, stylish can also be functional.
The kitchen's the perfect place to fill up a few pots with your favourite herbs for an edible garden within easy reach.
And that's it, some easy ways to decorate with the must-have accessory for every home. Indoor pots that help keep your home and plants stylish and happy.